Please subscribe and you can download this code from description below. Setting up Python scripts to work in Apache 2.0 involves configuring the Apache web server to handle Python files and execute them using a module like mod_python or mod_usg. In this tutorial, we'll go through the steps to set up Python scripts with mod_usg, which is a widely used and efficient option for running Python web applications within Apache. Prerequisites. Step 1. Install mod_usg. Before you begin, you need to install mod_usg if it's not already installed on your system. You can usually do this via your package manager. For example, on Ubuntu, you can use on CentOS or rhel. Step 2. Create a Python web application. For this tutorial, let's create a simple Python web application. You can use any Python web framework like Flask, Django, or even a basic Python script using CGI. For this example, we'll create a simple Flask application. Step 3. Configure Apache for mod_usg. Now, you need to configure Apache to use mod_usg to serve your Python application. Create a configuration file, example myapp.conf, in Apache's configuration directory, usually /etc/apache2/sites available /on Ubuntu. Replace /path/to/your/appy with the absolute path to your Python script, example /var/www/myapp/appy. Step 4. Enable the configuration. Enable your Apache configuration and reload the server. Step 5. Test your Python web application. Visit your domain or server IP in a web browser, example http://example.com, or use curl or uget. You should see hello, world, displayed, which is the response from your Python web application running on Apache. Congratulations! You've successfully set up Python scripts to work with Apache 2.0 using mod_usg. You can now build and deploy more complex Python web applications on your Apache web server. ChatGPT.